Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will talk about a very interesting topic. So here you can see this is our data set, superstore data. So in the table view you can see what is my year. So year is starting from 2011 to 2014. Okay. So I want to calculate the sales value of 52nd week of 2012. Okay. So here you can see what is my week number. Week number of today is 52nd. Okay, in the calendar you can see this is 52nd week, 30th of December, starting from 25 to 30. So there is no 53rd week in this 2023. There is no 53rd week. Okay, but in 2012, here you can see there is 52nd week starting from 23 to 29, and there was 53rd week, 30 and 31. Okay, I want to calculate what was my sales in 2012 52nd week till today. Till today means till Saturday. Okay, suppose if it was 28, if today was 28, it will calculate 2012 52nd week till Thursday, Monday to Thursday. What is my sales? If today 2023 it was Tuesday, it will calculate Monday to Tuesday what was my sales 52nd week of 2012. Okay, it is dynamic calculation. Okay, I want to calculate like this. So how to calculate? So for that thing I created a dash command, dash calculation. Here you can see. So I took a variable week number of today. So what is week number of today? It will give me the result of 52nd. Okay, variable B, what is the weekday of today? Weekday of today is Saturday. So if I am recording this video on Friday, it will take today of Friday. Okay, then it will calculate Monday to Friday. Okay, then in the return function I am calculating sum of sales. Okay, then I am filtering out all the filters from the date table. Okay, then I am taking year. I am filtering out year. So what is the order date of year? Order date of year is today minus year of today minus 11. So what is year of today? Year of today is 2023. Minus 11 means 2012. Okay, this will give me 2012. Then week number. What is week number of order date of A? So A means 52nd. It will take 52nd week. 52nd. Then what is the weekday? What weekday it will return? So here you can see greater than 1. 1 means Sunday. Okay, greater than 1 means from Monday. Okay, from Monday to today's date. That means it will return from Monday. It is the starting date. Okay, starting date is starting from Monday. If I give like equals to, then it will take Sunday, but I want from Monday, that's why I put greater than 1. Then what is the ending date? Ending date is less than equals to B. So B is today, right? Saturday. So it will take Saturday. If I am recording this video on Thursday, then this will be Thursday. Monday to Thursday, this value will give me. Okay, when all these conditions are fulfilled, then it will return the value. So what I got 86 to 62. Now validate this data. So I am going year of 2012 what is my sales data? Here you can see the sales data. And what is my order date? What is my order date? Yeah, so here you can see I am taking 24 to 29. Why? 24 means Monday of 2012. Here you can see Monday to Saturday. Okay, so Monday to Saturday data I am taking. Now go to the sales data, copy this table, this column, paste it. What is the sum showing? 86 to 62. Here you can see 86 to 62. So data is matching, right? So right, like this we can calculate. So one thing, if here you can see today, so suppose I am recording this video on Thursday. Okay, so I'll do -2. If I do -2, then it will take 2 days back data. Okay, 69,576. So from here, order date, I will take 24 to 27. Okay, so let's see now. Sales data, copy, paste. 69,576 data is matching, right? So like this we can take dynamically week number sales calculation from any year. Okay, I do not have 2023 2022 data, that's why I cannot calculate previous year versus this year. Okay, that's why I have 2011 to 2014 there, that's why I took 2012. Okay, so if you go like 10, it will go to 2011, like this. So this was the calculation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share it among your friends who are interested in Power BI. Thanks to you, and thank you for your time. Great day.